Friday. I am on my way to a client. This is my regular client that I take care of her property. And basically I go and I just maintain anything that I would like to see done to my landscape, I do to hers. And today I know that last time I was there, the Daylilies, they were at a point where they needed to be cut back. Now today is pretty hot, so I am going to be pacing myself. I am going to be making sure that I'm getting enough water. So I love my job, and it is very therapeutic for me. But at the same time, I have to be very careful. I don't want to get to a point where I'm overheated. So I have plenty of water, and I will just pace myself, and I will know when to stop and when to keep going. And she's real good at saying, go home, you're doing too much. So anyway, I am going to go and take you with me and show you what I'm going to be doing today. These lilies are done, and usually if you give them a haircut, they come back. They have a new flush of growth, and it just looks better instead of all this brown stuff at the bottom. Okay, I am done for the day. Next time I come, I will do that area, and down in that area I went back in the back to do some areas where it was a little bit more shady because it's like 90 degrees. So I think that's a good start. Good morning, garden friends. This is RB, the Garden Nanny. And last time I cut down the daylilies, and it's already growing a new flush of green. And so what I'm going to work on today is trimming all of these all the way down. And I'm going to go this way and go all the way through and try to get that cleaned up a little bit. Just don't really like the brown that's underneath, so I want to clean that up. Okay, you can look at this and see that there has been an improvement as far as the daylilies being cut down. They were all along this row here, and all of it has been taken down in the front, as well as last time I was here, I cut them down, and a new flush has emerged, which is what we want because it has the possibility of flowering again. And this is what was done today. I cut back all of the daylilies or the tiger lilies in this area, and right along here, and this patch as well. So that is complete. This is a very invasive plant that we ended up just controlling by keeping a little patch in the middle. And whenever it starts to dart out side of the middle, that's when I try to clean it up. So that's a work in progress all the time, trying to keep it in one place. Now I used primarily my DeWalt. I am a DeWalt fan, mainly because once you get batteries for one DeWalt product, you can use them in all of their products. But this is my hedge trimmer, and I just zipped through all of them, as well as when the battery ran out and I realized I didn't have a second one with me, I use this, I call it a slicer, and it just slices through those long blades of lilies. And so, yeah, that is it for this area. All right, guys, going home. Very good day. Just wanted to say I worked about 3 hours at this property. I used my hedge trimmer, and I'm so thankful I had it in the truck. I did some more of that trimming in the back, and whew, it was 90 degrees, yeah. I mean, it was hot, and I was able to use my fan that I put around my neck. This runs by a charge, and I charge it at night, and then I use it throughout the day. This is a lifesaver. If I find a link, I'll put it in the description box, but it has variable speeds. I'm also doing an experiment with wearing long sleeve shirts and long pants. I was mentored by a friend, and he is in the business, and he said, you know, look at the Mexicans. Go with what they do. They know what they're doing when they're out there landscaping. They're fully clothed with long sleeves and long pants. You never see them with shorts on, tank tops. They have their boots on. And what I've learned is it keeps you cooler. When you're gonna sweat either way. So if you sweat with the long sleeves on, that moisture is within the sleeves and within the shirt, and it keeps you cooler. And that I have found to be true. Like I said, this is just my second day. I am on my way home. Thanks for watching.